Getting into the exotic pictures. Bali pictures.
We just came from one spot, going to another.
Say something.
Yeah.
Say something. No confusion, only execution.
So to go to the temples here, you have to wear this kind of clothing. You have to cover yourself up from this and this. Basically, it's like a cover up, but which is compulsory for temples. This is what he's wearing. So currently, we are at the Pura Taman Kemudu Saraswati Temple.
And it translates to the temple with sacred water sources.
It's just behind me. You see?
Main area of the temple, as you can see behind the closed doors, is actually reserved for the royal family, and this area is open for the public. Wow.
The spot where I'm standing is an Instagrammable spot, and this bird is called Kulkul. It
Alright.
says, "Hit me for good luck."
Oh, just play your good luck then. A little louder. Woohoo.
We're about to explore the Starbucks of Ubud, and it is beautiful. So let's just go inside. Look at this street, man. We are about to enter the Ubud Palace Market.
And it's very cute actually, if you see it. The street pavement is really amazing. I mean, I'm really touched by the way it is made. It has like message from different people around the different parts of the world.
Yeah, and I'm gonna like look if I can get something from here. I'm also planning to get some fridge magnets anyway. We have some time before we go back to the resort. Until then, let's just explore. Bye-bye.